guys, how are you today? Good afternoon, have a nice day, good day. So, guys, once again, uh, okay, Gay.io have gave me a project name Candy Drop X Velvet Share, project name Velvet is a trading share. Okay, so everyone, welcome to my live stream. How are you today? Good afternoon, have a nice day, good day. Uh okay, guys, first of all, welcome to all members on my live stream. uh as that Mushtaq 280 get user, Sitino Justice so and Wankai, Panda Craft, and many other members. Welcome to all members on my live stream. Okay, we are starting our work. Okay, can you drop can you drop X Velvet share 1 billion Velvet in trading, Velvet in trading, is 8 10 the date, 10 date 7 month 2025 at 10:26 6 UTC time. K Kaminir, K Munir, welcome. And mascot, welcome to my live stream. Okay, and can you drop X Velvet share 1 billion Velvet in trading? And can you drop is an airdrop platform launched by Gate where users can win candies by completing tasks and participations in tokens airdrop distributions. We are now excited to introduce the Velvet tokens airdrop event. By completing the task below, you can earn candies and share in total prize pool of 1 billion Velvet. Okay, Alexan, welcome to my live stream. How are you today? Mehdi Hassan, Rafi 77, welcome to my live stream. Participate in token airdrop distributions. We are now excited to introduce the Velvet tokens airdrop event. By completing the task below, you can earn candies and share in. You can earn candies and share in a total prize pool of 1 billion velvet. The maximum amount a single user can receive in 5,000 velvet. Details are as follows. Okay. Welcome to all members. Join my live stream. Number one, the sport trade fixed price pool, 300,000 velvet fixed reward of 1,000 velvet per person. And number two, uh, sport trading candidate reward pool, 400,000 velvet, individual limit 2,000 velvet. And number three, sorry, number three, alpha trading candy prize pool, 300,000 velvet, individual limit 2,000 velvet. And candy Candy airdrop calculations formula: individual candy amount, total candy amount of all user, multiple reward pool. Okay, welcome to all members. Join my live stream. Event time 10 July to 17 July 2025, 12 UTC time, and participate now. Okay, Velvet. Velvet is a operating system streamlining on-chain reasons, trading and portfolio management. Website X Twitter, total prize pool 1 billion and participations 183 65. And event time 1 day 3 hours 57 minutes 57 minutes and some seconds. Join now and registration open to 10 date 7/1 2025. Event ends 70 date 7/1 2025. Airdrop 5 dates 8 months 2025. Complete task to share 1 billion velvet prize pool. Velvet prize pool. First sport trade price 300,000 velvet and 300,000 velvet total tokens and 1,000 velvet. Individual share limit is share. The prize pool has been full claim. Please check the each share on the page to see if you have won. Okay, fixed reward. Login and participate. Login and participate 10 date to 70 date 2025 70 time UTC. Join now. And complete task 8 10 8 date 7 8 date 7/1 2025 to 70 date 2025 17 time UTC. 0% make your first sport trade and active achieve a velvet sport trading volume of at least 200 USD. Sport first trade exclusive make your first sport trade after joining it and achieve velvet sport trading volume 2000 USD. Claim 1000 velvet. Reward will be distributed on the 5 date 8/1 2025 the 00 UTC time. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Okay, activity rules. User who have not traded sport after joining it and make their first velvet sport trade with a volume of 2000 USDT will receive a fixed reward of 1,000 velvet on a first come first serve basis with a total prize pool of 300,000 velvet. Spot trading to share 400,000 velvet 400,000 velvet total tokens 2,000 velvet. Individual share limit and is share. Complete task and share price full share reward login and participate 10 date to 70 date okay 7/1 2025 and 70 time UTC. Complete Login and participate. Login and participate 17 date to 17 10 date to 17 date 2025. Complete task 10 date 17 date 7 month 2025 00 UTC time. Tier 1 Velvet Sport Trading Task 500 5000 USDT 1 candy 1 candy. The number of airdrop tokens redeemables per candy will be adjusted in real time based on the number of participants and is for reference only. And okay, Trial Velvet Sport Trading Task 7000 USDT 3 candies. The number of airdrop tokens redeemables per candy will be adjusted in real time based on the number of participants and is for references on the trial 3 velvet sport trading task 10,000 USDT 5 candies 5 candies uh, airdrop tokens remember per candy will be adjusted in real time based on the number of participations and it's for references only. Claim up for 2000 velvet. Claim up 2000 velvet rewards will be distributed on 5 date 8 month 2025. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Activities rule during the event. User achieving 5000 USDT in velvet sport volume, sum of opening plus closing positions can earn up to 9 candies from the 400,000 velvet reward pools. Alpha trading share 300,000 velvet and 300,000 velvet total tokens 2,000 velvet individual share limit last year and complete task and share prize pool. Complete task and share prize pool, share reward. Number one, login and participate. Seven. Welcome to all members. Join my live stream. Toy picking uncle. Pick king uncle. Sorry. Toy picking uncle. Welcome. Join my live stream and get user. Go on the shorts. Welcome. Login and participate. Login and participate 10 date 7 month 2025 to 17 date 7 month 2025. Complete task 10 date 7 month 2025 to 17 date 7 month 2025. Task alpha trading task trade to have Albert on Alpha with trading volume 200 USDT to receive one candy trade and the number of airdrop tokens remember per candy will be adjusted in real time based on the number of participants and is for references only. And task 2 alpha trading task trade Velvet on alpha with a trading volume 300 USDT to receive two candies 86.79 to 99 8 Velvet trade. Okay, and claim to 200 2000 Velvet, claim to 2000 Velvet. Claim up to 2000 Velvet reward will be distributed on 5 days and 8 months 2025 to 00 time UTC time. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Activity rules during the event. User who trade Velvet token on Gate Alpha with a trading volume of 200 USDT will receive candies. Different candy reward are unlocked based on the tile reached with a maximum of 3 candies sharing prize pool of 300,000 Velvet. Number 2 gate alpha trading volume alpha by volume plus alpha cell volume. Okay, and FAQ, and the FAQ Velvet can drop alpha FAQ. What number one? What are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? User participating in Candy Drop are required to complete identity verifications and click the join button on the event page. Only offer after successfully joining will their activity data be counted. Market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. When candies be distributed after completing task, candy will be distributed with her 1 to 3 horse, one or 3 hours after user complete task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from Candy Drop after 3 hours. Okay, and which is the prize pool sharing, and why are there no candy reward? Price pool sharing means that user who reach the activities threshold through their transactions volume or recharge amount during the event can share the total reward pool proportionally. Therefore there are no candy reward. Okay guys, happy 88, welcome join my live stream. Get user and many other members, welcome to all members join my live stream. Okay, and question number 4: what are the first sport and first future trading tasks? User who have never conducted any sport or futures trading offer after joining Gate in claim this task by making their first sport future trading of the specified tokens and reaching the cumulative trading volume requirements during the event periods. User can complete the task and receive event reward. Okay, and terms and conditions. Terms number 1: participants must click the join button on the event page after event page. After successfully joining the event, complete the event task and identity verification to receive the reward. And number two, shit no just to sue. Jutusu. Welcome, join my live stream. How are you, everyone? And number 2, reward will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Total event reward are 1 billion Velvet. Number 3, bulk registrations of multiple accounts, molecules, volume, manipulations, wash trading, self-dealing, or other cheating behaviors are strictly prohibited. prohibited multiple accounts verified uh, under the same user identity will be considered single accounts. Sub accounts are not eligible for participations. Uh, Number four, market maker businesses and institutions are not eligible for this event. Affiliate account cannot join refer activities but can participate in all other events without res- uh, restrictions. Okay, and number five, in case of discrepancies between translated versions and the the English version shall prevail. Number five, in case of discrepancies between translated version in English in version in the English version shall prevail. Number six, gateway services the final right of interpretations for this event. And number seven, user from restricted regions will be unable to use all parts of the services, all parts or parts of the services, including participations in this event, games, or contests. For details information regarding restricted regions, please refer to the user agreement. Risk warning: user must bears in mind that cryptocurrencies trading is affected by multiple factors such as market dynamics and regulatory policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to market risk and trade cautiously. Welcome to all who have joined my live stream. How are you? Dinner chickens and no time Kaya07 and get user many other members. Welcome join my live stream. How are you today? Jabri008, welcome join my live stream. How are you? Project name Velvet, and then we look website. Velvet project website. Trade smart with all and grow your crypto portfolio. Join 100k plus user trading 100 m dollars plus on chain. Get start and base Soliner, BNB chains and Ethereum, Bitlayers and Connect, and trade sell for 200 and buy 29.11 and don't let other network you find and trade the next 100 x. Get started and trading trading view dx tools, Jupiter launch safe and senso unless your DeFi power product trade grow and win with easy master DeFi like pro maximize profits minimize hustle and sport the next big gainer and trends discover uh, and number two, streamline, straight, and identify valid all in one place. And scale grow your profit portfolio and let the other join and my portfolio uh, and evaluate dynamic. Let all agents and hedge funds work for you. Evaluate ongoing, hardcore, lab stable. Risk late rates fund stable coins suites and there are some exchanges and audited security and Packsheld, Shillers, Porta, Z Open, Zipline, Hertz Finance, Immune Fi, and Internet uh, intent operating system to orchestrate or defy needs. uh, DeFi middlewares that helps launch and manage tokenized Velvet and other DeFi products due to doses and questions we have you covered. Questions we have you covered. Okay, question: what is Velvet? Question number one: what is Velvet? Opportunity and Chacha Matis. Welcome John my live channel. Real Baba, thank you so much. Okay, what is Velvet? Velvet is your ultimate DeFi trading portfolio management OS powered by internet and all trade any token trade any tokens will prove with our smart executations engineers access top DeFi protocols in one click and explore or create a high performing uh, as Atif Trader and Happy 88 welcome join my live stream. How are you today? Trade any token like Approve with our smart executations engines access to optify protocols in one click and explore explore or create high performing portfolios whether you are shaping the next 100x or compounding valid in your velvet makes DeFi seamless and smooth. Okay. Visitor 187842. Welcome join my live stream. Join 85 25k plus user already trading 100 and plus on Velvet. Start your journey today. Study Rise collection. Join my live stream. How are you? Study Rise collection. Join 25k plus user already trade $100. I'm on plus on Velvet to start your journey today. I cannot see your question. Okay, question number two. How does Velvet make DeFi trading as easier? We simplify DeFi with a sleek, all-in-one platform. Um, Trade Aaron, Trade Aaron Wallet, and manage your DeFi positions in a second using our intuitive. Uh, 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 no more judge line multiple table and protocols. Our smart executions engines ensures you get the best route, real time on chains analytic help you spot trading tokens. It's DeFi trading but faster, smarter, and view easier. Okay, guys. Next question: can I trust Velvet much? Velvet with my funds. You don't need to, unlike centralized exchange. Exchange Velvet never token custody of your funds. You trade and manage position directly from your Velvet, and Velvet team cannot access your funds at any point of time, any time of time. Velvet infrastructures undergone seven security audit and option audit companions and has a live dog Backbenty to ensure the highest level of security. UID, and Crypto Specto. Welcome to my live stream. How are you, everyone? And next questions: how do I get started with Velvet? It's easy as a 1 2 3 click launch app to start exploring trading tokens. Cannot your Velvet and start trading and violating your um, portfolio instantly. No complicated setups, so no goosework, just pure DeFi power at your fingertips. Your first 100 plus multiple is waiting. Don't miss out. And how can I more the how can I earn more with Velvet? Uh, invite your friend with your referral link to earn 50% of their trading fees for life. See the referral sections of the app for more details. Earn additional airdrop reward every time you use Velvet. Click here to see airdrop sections for more details. Everyone, welcome join my live stream. And the last question: how can Velvet help my project? Velvet is the ultimate middleware for DeFi project looking to dominate our internet operating system. Let's use Streamline on chain trading, launch tokenized evaluates manage DeFi products and more flash um, cost accelerate growth and lead more evaluate manage DeFi products and more slash cost accelerate growth and lead the DeFi race all well leveraging a platform trusted by industry leaders. Act Velvet Capital DeFi Trading Portfolio Management OS. Velvet Capital DeFi Trading Portfolio Management ecosystem powered by internet offering a Stardust 34. Get user. Welcome to my live stream. DeFi for agents. There are four main ways all for framework trading, terminal, portfolio management, custom app. Okay, and next blog. DeFi Assets Management done right. Stay up to date. DeFi Velvet Capital helps launch and managing on chain portfolio. Uh, uh, Portfolios and funds and structured products in just a few clicks by Velvet Capital over 8.00 subscribes. Okay, and next contracts. Trade smarter. Uh, I'll grow your crypto portfolio smart. Join 100 user trading 100 plus on chain and G63. Welcome join my live stream. Get user and many other members to welcome. Uh, is the market bullish or bearish? Today market is bearish. Okay, and good morning, G6C double one. Welcome to my live stream. How are you? Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, good afternoon. Gate G6 GC double one. Welcome to my live stream. I say that you market today is bearish. Okay. Okay, Candy Drop complete task to claim airdrop 57 total participant 57.11k total participants and 777.6k total airdrop USDT. How to earn and select project select the project you are interested in and complete the interactive task to earn candies. And number two, complete interactive task. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you can earn and the better your chance to or getting airdrop reward will be. And number three, wait for airdrop. Click the reward distribution status and wait for the air. Okay, and number three, wait for airdrop. Check the reward distribution status and wait for the airdrop. And FAQ. What is Candy Drop? Candy Drop is an competition launched by Gate. User can earn candies by completing tasks such as participating in trading, depositing, investing friends. Friends and more. The more tasks you complete, the more candies you earn, increasing your chance of winning airdrop reward. And number two, how to earn candies. You can earn candies by completing a designated task in Candy Drop. Task types include trading, specifies token deposit and more. Each complete task will grant you a certain amount of candies. And number three, how to verify the complete completions of the event completions of the event task. After how to verify the completions of the event task. After completing the task, platform will automatically verify it without requiring manual validations. You will see a prompt once the task is successfully completed. And next question number four, when will reward be distributed? Reward will be distributed to winners get account. When will reward be distributed? Reward will be distributed winners get account with 14 working days after the event and can be viewed in Velvet Boiling. Well, with billing details, user must complete identity verifications before claiming reward. Okay, and next, the last, can the candies be accumulated for the next event? Candies are exclusive to each event that cannot be uh, carried over the next ones. Okay. Okay, next, Satoshi Nakamoto, and welcome join my live stream, and Gate user and Liu Ronggong, welcome everyone. Number one, sport first trading, fixed price pool rules. After joining Gate, user who complete their first sport trading and have Velvet Sport trading volume of 2000 USDT will receive a fixed reward of 1000 Velvet on a first come first served basis, with a total prize pool of 300,000 Velvet, which will be distributed after the event ends. Oh, surrealist, welcome, John, my live stream. How are you today, dear sister? Good afternoon. Have a nice day. Good surrealist sister. Welcome, John, my live stream. How are you? Uh, Alhamdulillah. I am fine and good. Uh, Thank you. Thanks a lot. You joined my live stream. Gave me some time. I'm so happy. She is my good friend and good sister. Okay, surrealist. Uh, okay. Receive fixed 1000 velvet on first come first served basis. Thank you. Thank you, surrealist. Gave me some time. Join my live stream. First come first served basis with a total price pool 300,000 velvet, which will be distributed after the event ends. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Give me some flowers and red heart. Oh, thanks. Velvet, which will be distributed after the event ends. And number two, sport trading candidate price pool rules during the event price. Uh, During the event period, users with a cumulative velvet spot trading volume by plus sell 5000 USDT will receive candy reward, sharing a prize pool 400,000 uh, velvet. Each user can receive a maximum of 9 candies, with a single user able to receive 2,000 velvet. The reward rules are as follows. Usman Ali, welcome, join my live stream. How are you today? SVSCLK, welcome, join my live stream. And number one, Velvet trading volume 5000 USDT one candy, and Velvet trading volume 7000 USDT three candies, and Velvet trading volume 10,000 USDT and five candies. Okay, and number three, Alpha trading candy price pool rules. Uh, During the event period, trade Velvet tokens on Gate with a cumulative volume by plus sell 200 to receive candy reward, sharing a prize pool of 300,000 Velvet. The maximum reward per individual 2,000 Velvet. And and the reward 2000 velvet, and each user can receive up to 3 candies. The reward rules are as follows. And velvet tokens trading, velvet token trading volume 2000 USDT, 1 candy, and velvet tokens trading volume, trading volume of 300 USDT, 2 candies. Okay, picking uncle. Toy picking uncle, once again welcome. And project introduction. Project introductions. Velvet is a DeFi operating system streamlining on-chain research, trading, and portfolio management. Velvet app is live on PNP chain based Solana, Ethereum, and Sonic with 100k plus user trading and executing DeFi strategies. It is multi-agent or co-pilot integrated into the app to help discover, analyze, and execute new opportunities using natural language. Velvet infrastructures also allows others to create tokenized DeFi strategies and managing them via URL or API with the 110k plus Velvet already created by Coles traders and crypto hedge funds. Notes number one. Notes number one. Participants must click the join button on the event page after successfully joining the event. Complete the event task and identity verification to receive reward. Okay, and number two, reward will be distributed to user account within 14 working days after the event ends, with a total reward of 1000 1 billions velvet. And number three, it is strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts in book bulk, engage in malicious wash trading, self buying and selling, mutual matching, and other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts of the same verified user will be regarded as the same account. Sub accounts cannot participate in activities. uh, Number four, uh, market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed participate in this event. Agent accounts cannot participate in funds in innovations activities, while other activities are unstructured. Participate cannot participate in front innovations activities, while other activities are unstructured. Oh, finally Baba, welcome join my live stream. How are you today? And number five, in case of any discrepancies between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. Gate has the final interpretations right for this event. Number seven, user in restricted areas may not be able to use all or part of the services, including participations in this event, game, or competitions. For details, informations on restricted areas, please read user agreement. Get user, Ratuba, and many other members. Welcome, join my live stream. And number eight, risk warning. A user must be aware that virtual coins trading is influenced. Trading is influenced by various factors such as the market and policies. The market is highly volatile, and fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please pay attention to market risk and trade get usually. Okay, guys. Thanks to all members on my live stream. How about you today? Gate team July 8 10 July 2025 gateway to crypto trade over 36 100 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. And Gate take action now. Sign up and claim up to the 10,000 in welcome rewards, invite friends, and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow Next Twitter to get more business bonuses. Sorry, business no bonuses. Okay. And follow Next Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insight, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of reservices. Okay. I have completed the project. So everyone, thanks to all members, they can support me, and I have completed the project name. Project name Velvet. Can you drop X Velvet share 1 billion 1 lakh Velvet in trading? Okay. uh, Uh, Everyone, welcome, join my live stream. Adan Geo, Adian Geo, welcome, join my live stream. Okay, guys, I have all complete the project. So, guys, Allah Hafiz and take care. Bye bye.